Today I show you how to measure things with your iPhone that could be really any size. First you have to open the measure app on your iPhone, but if you don't know where it is, you can easily search for measure on your iPhone and you will find the app. This is the app, and if you see the level when you open the measure app, start the app in measuring mode. I want to measure the size of my audio recorder here, and you see this kind of a floating disc, and all you have to do is set a point. So if I want to measure the length of it, I'll go with this point here, that one in the middle, press plus. It's kind of, I can clear it, so you can use clear if you put the wrong point. I go all the way to the edge, kind of, and then I go all the way to the other edge of the recorder or any object, and it's measuring 12 centimeters. It's measuring 12 centimeters. It's measuring 12 centimeters here, and if I try to move it further away, this ruler doesn't follow. The ruler here doesn't follow the object, so I can clear it. I could set again a point for there to there. So now it shows 11 centimeters, but it's really because I moved it a little bit inside too much. So this is the size of this recorder. You can actually check the size online for Sony PCM A10. So it should be 12 centimeters. I'll do quickly. So the closer the object, the closer you get the object to the camera, the more accurate it should be. So it shows 12 centimeters. And I could add points. For example, I could add another point here and go from there to here. So you could really do some more complex measurements like that. And I could move this even on the screen if I wanted to move it to the edge. So it's really dynamic and it's all happening on the screen like that. I could even take a picture of it to save it for later. And now I could resume to the previous area or start over. But this is really, it's very simple. This is really simple to use the measuring tool, and if you're too close to the device, like now for example, it says move further away, so I'm too close to it. You can see your measurement history. Here I have this 6 centimeters, and I'm not sure, I didn't clear it, so this one I didn't clear it, that's why it's saved. But you can clear the whole list there and you have nothing, no settings there. You have no clear rear, you have no recent measurements. You can use the phone in vertical mode, like that. So it shows 12 centimeters. And I could even measure from that side to this side, kind of 3 centimeters. Not sure exactly how precise this is going to be, but it's much better than using a ruler on the floor. You can measure things that are further away from your phone. And you see your measurement history there. 3 centimeters and 12 centimeters. That's it. This is how you use the measure to measure things without actually even touching them. You could measure things from far away without even touching them. This is how you measure things with your iPhone. It's really easy, and you can use the level also the same way. I hope this helps you measure things with your iPhone, and you don't have to use a ruler on the screen like the old times when you had the ruler on the screen, the app. This way you can measure things that are any size, not just the size of the screen like in the old times where you had a ruler displaying on the screen. This way you can measure something that's meters or even 10 meters, 20 meters, even if it's far away from you. I'm not sure how far it could be, but this is really convenient to measure things that are normal everyday life, like a car, for example. Measure the height of a car. Thanks for watching.